How's it going, Phonlab? It's Root Junkie here, and in this video we're going to be showing you and talking to you about drivers, okay? Windows requires drivers for almost everything you install on it, so it's really important that you understand how to install them and how to work with drivers in particularly, okay? So we already installed the drivers to get the hardware of the computer working, but now we're going to install drivers for other devices, specifically Android devices. So we're going to open this up. And I've actually already downloaded some drivers, and I'm just going to show you a couple of them. So first of all, we got the Motorola driver. Now, some drivers will install with an EXE, which is really awesome. So we're going to do that with this one. We're going to go ahead and click on it, and it just has some quick, really easy steps to just say next, next, next through, and it will install all the drivers for Motorola devices, okay? This is awesome. This is super easy to do, very easy to understand, okay? I love being able to install drivers with this functionality and doing it this way. Preferred way. Easy. Done, right? We just installed all the drivers we need for Motorola. It's a beautiful thing, okay? That is a great way to install drivers. Now, some of them don't have an EXE that installs them, okay? Some of them, like this, which is Qualcomm drivers, look like this. And what you need to understand is you need to look for this right here, .inf, or in the type, setup information, okay? And you can actually right click on this and you can click install, and this will install the drivers, the .inf file here. So operation complete. So we just installed these USB drivers onto our computer. So a couple different ways, one with an EXE that automates it, and one where you're going to have to right click and install. So just pay attention to that. Anytime you see a .inf, that is a way you can install drivers to your computer, okay? So very, very nice. The last thing that I want to show you when it comes to driver installs is if you come up, well, you may not see that. So let's try it in here. If you right click that little button down there, you can go to Device Manager, and we'll open this up, okay? So if you plug something into your computer, it's going to populate in this list, okay? So let me actually plug something into mine. So here you go. I'm going to plug this in, and you're going to see it's connecting here, and then let's see if its drivers are installed correctly. So if you look under portable devices, there you go, that is the device. Now, a lot of drivers with Windows will install automatically, okay? There is some that do install automatically, and you don't have to install the ones from the manufacturer, which is really nice. But you can see there it is under portable devices. You might even see it come up under COM ports. Sometimes that happens. And then you can actually see when we unplug it, it should remove that off of our device manager. So device manager refreshes, you can see that under portable devices there, and COM port is also missing. So that just shows you where it's connecting when you plug it in. Now, that being said, the other thing we can do if we want to manage drivers for this device is we can right click on this and we can go to either update drivers or property, okay? And then we go to drivers, and we can actually uninstall them, we can disable them, or we can update them. So if your drivers aren't working correctly, you got a question mark next to this device here in Device Manager. It could be different reasons. You can update this, and then you can have the thing search the internet and look for drivers. That's fine. Or you can browse, and you can actually pick from a list and find specific drivers for your device exactly. And you can look through all these different lists, and you can pick from them and try to install them and try to get the device functioning, okay? That's a little bit more advanced. If you're looking for a lot more of that kind of information, how to get certain drivers working, you definitely need to check out our Phonlab smartphone tech course. It is full of great information about driver errors and driver problems and ways to get them functioning once again for you. But guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video right here, talking about drivers on Windows 10 running on this awesome MacBook. I hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one. Catch you then. Root Junkie out.